Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jim. At ito na nga, bagong-bago lang, kaka-post lang ni Miss AC Bonifacio. Ayan na nga. AC Bonifacio tears because our girl is finally married. Congratulations, Barbara Portesa. Ito na. Jude pops the cherry. At yun na nga yung teary-eyed nga yung comment ni Barbie Fortes. Ayan na nga, napakaganda ng picture nila, grabe. Ayan na nga si AC Bonifacio, Mikey Quintos, Barbie Fortes, Mika Salamanca, at si Sasa Girl. Grabe ang ganda nung pagkakuha nitong picture na to, di ba? At si, ayan, AC Bonifacio, mukha siyang Little Red Riding Hood. Ayan na nga, more pictures. Ayan, Mika, AC, Sasa Girl, tsaka si Mikey Quintos. Bridesmaid nga sila. Ayan, Cherry and Jude. Ayan na nga. Ayan, more wacky pictures. O, diba? Ang galing. Ang ganda. At next ay post ng ABS-CBN, Barbie Fortesa to lead Regal's big comedy project, Saving Cherry. Barbie Fortesa will lead Regal Entertainment's upcoming comedy film Saving Cherry, directed by Ivan Andrew Payawa. Saving Cherry follows Cherry, Barbie Fortesa, a conservative devoted woman who plans to save her virginity for her wedding night until she catches her fiancé, Jude Khalil Ramos, cheating. Ay wow, si Khalil din yung leading man niya pala dito. So, dalawang project na yung pagpapartneran ni Khalil at saka ni Barbie. Ito nga, Saving Cherry at ang Honor Thy Mother. Oy, wow. At actually, yung kay JC Alcantara, and about yung kay JC Alcantara, akala nga natin siya yung leading man kasi nag-Instagram story kasi si JC Alcantara na nice to work with Barbie again. Tapos, ang Instagram story niya nga ay yung kasama si Mika Salamanca. So, ito nga yung movie na yun. Ang tanong, kung ano ang role ni JC Alcantara dito sa movie na to, di ba? Grabe. Anyway, determined to take back control, Cherry embarks on a wild road trip with her bridesmaid and the wedding planner on a mission to lose her virginity. While a remorseful Jude tries to win her back, the film also stars AC Bonifacio as Ingrid, Mika Salamanca as Jewel, Mikey Quintos as Beth, and Sasa Guel as Marta, who make up Cherry's support system. Saving Cherry is an apologetic comedy that flips the script on the good girl narrative, exploring the nuance and complex nature of woman's rage. The production team said, "It is a story about taking full control of your destiny, making your own choices, and becoming the woman you want to be." In fairness, parang bagay yung istorya kay Barbie Fortesta kasi 'di ba nga si Barbie nga hindi nga nagpapakiss at saka walang mga bedsin sa mga project niya. So parang virgin pa rin si Barbie Fortesa in the eyes of of the fans, 'di ba? Grabe. At kung magiging maganda yung sales nito, guys, no? Katulad yung yung Contrabida Academy na ilang weeks nag number 1. So, at napakataas ng views nga ng Contrabida Academy sa Netflix. So, pwedeng maging comedy princess si Barbie Fortesa pag nagkataon, 'di ba? Grabe. At next naman, ay post ng Manila Standard. Actress Barbie Fortesa stirred online conversations early this week after photos of her in a wedding gown went viral. Barbie Fortesa is ready to pop the cherry in the new comedy film. Actress Barbie Fortesa stirred online conversations early this week after photos of her in a wedding gown went viral. In the images shared on her Instagram page, the 28-year-old actress is seen holding a white bouquet as she stands at a church doorway before walking down the aisle, prompting mild or mixed reactions from fans and friends alike. Some were confused, others curious, and a few even offered congratulations, thinking the Kapuso star tied the knot. But there was no real wedding. The viral images were part of the rollout for Saving Cherry, Regal Entertainment's upcoming comedy film starring Barbie in what could be her biggest movie project so far. Ooh, wow. Known for playing bubbly and charming characters, though she took several more layered roles last year, Barbie takes on a different kind of role in Saving Cherry, a comedy built around themes of women empowerment and the chaos that comes with heartbreak. Directed by Ivan Andrew Payawal, the film follows Cherry, a conservative young woman who has chosen to save her virginity for her wedding night. Her plans unravel as she catches her fiancé Jude Khalil Ramos cheating on the night they were supposed to begin married life. What follows is far from a typical heartbreak story. Instead of wallowing in misery, Cherry sets up a reckless road trip with her bridesmaid and wedding planner, determined determined to reclaim control of her life and lose her virginity in her own terms, while Jude scrambles to win her back. The premise may sound outrageous, and that appears to be the point. Saving Cherry flips the good girl stereotype and explores what happens when suppressed anger finally boils over. Wrapped in comedy, the film also touches on agency, self discovery, and the choices women make for themselves. Joining Barbie in an ensemble cast including Mika Salamanca as Jewel, AC Bonifacio as Ingrid, Mikey Quintos as Beth, and Sasa Girl as Marta, the nervous wedding planner. From mistaken identities to bizarre encounters, including accidentally crossing paths with a cult, the film leans into absurdity while keeping the friendship as thread that binds the all-female circle together. Ano 'to, katulad nung kay Carla Abellano tsaka kay Tom Rodriguez. Yung sa wedding night daw, yung ano, after nung kasal, kinasal nga, o so kakasal si Barbie at tsaka si Khalil. Tapos daw, on the night of the wedding, nag-cheat, makikita ni Barbie or mahuli niya si Khalil na nag-cheat. And then after that, yun na nga magwawala nga si Barbie. So parang ano siguro, yun nga, cheating, tapos magwawala siya para magiging hangover. Ganun ba yun? Girls version. Maganda nga kung ganun, di ba? Grabe. Anyway, sa bagay pag Regal, maganda yan sigurado. At si Ivan Payawal, medyo mga pambiba max yung mga pelikula nun. So, abangan na lang natin, guys. Anyway, next nga ay post ni Charisse Moa, 9th Eddie's Best Actress nominees revealed. Let's watch this.
Uunahin po muna natin ang Best Actress category. Dito natin kinikilala ang mga aktres na nagbigay ng puso, tapang, lalim, at katotohanan sa kanilang mga papel. The nominees for Best are Mylene Dizon, habang nilalamon ng Hydra ang kasaysayan. Barbie Forteza, Kontrabida Academy. Crystal Go, I'm Perfect. Angelica Panganiban, On Mary. Maris Racal, Sunshine.
Tapos, okay na, pwede mo na
And
ad-lib. Pero
Charo Santos, Only We Know.
best to follow me.
So congratulations po sa ating mga nominees for the Best Actress category.
Ayun na nga, at parang na-post ko na nga to, yung Instagram story ni Barbie Forteza na nominated siyang Best Actress for Contrabida Academy na sana manalo. Kahit tayo na, please pagbigyan nyo na kami. Anyway, at ito nga post ng Random Republica, the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors officially reveals nominees for the 9th Eddie's Entertainment Editor's Choice. At next ay post ni Ate Kai, pero actually Instagram story to ni Barbie Forteza. Arakara na naman tayo sa July 9. Barbara, let's watch this.
Mark your calendars. You're warmly invited to the grand launch of Avignon Clinic on July 9th at the 4th level East Wing Shangri-La Plaza. Discover a new era of regenerative aesthetics and longevity, where science and beauty come together to help you look and feel your best. We can't wait to welcome you.
At next is another Instagram story by Barbie Forteza. Di ba nag-food trip sa Medusa? May mukbang buddy, seatmate, Barbara Forteza. At next nga ay post ng DWAR Abante Radio. Tignan, spotted ang ilang celebrities gaya ni Alexa Ilacad, Barbie Forteza, Sasa Girl at Wanna Change at Candy Pangilinan sa gala night ng Babae sa Septic Tank. For live na sa theater ngayong Webes, June 25. Yan na nga, napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Forteza at yan si Miss Candy Pangilinan at si Wanna Cheats at si Sasa Girl at si Sasa Girl at si Miss Alexa Ilacad at yan, babae sa septic tank Ayan, si Direk Andoy Ranay. At next naman ay post ni Barbie Fortesa. This is Philippine theater, tackled the value and relevance of theater plays through the signature brilliance of Ang Babae sa Septic Tank franchise, headlined by the best in the industry icons who give a shit and handled it so gracefully. So, ayan na nga, Babae sa Septic Tank. Ayan si Direk Chris Martinez and Eugene Domingo. At yan na nga, more pictures. At next naman ay post ni Direk Chris Martinez. Thank you, Barbara Fortesa, for watching PETA Septic Tank 4. See you again soon. Congrats sa Best Actress nomination sa Contrabida Academy from Eddies. At nag-comment naman si Barbie na, thank you so much for inviting me to watch tonight, Direk. At next ay post ng GMA News, Sparkle artist Barbie Fortesa and Thea Ashley attended the Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Oh shit! Live na sa theater during the gala night at the PETA Theater Center on June 25, 2026, running from June 19 to August 16, 2026. The fourth installment of this Septic Tank franchise brings the satire to stage, focusing on the realities of producing theater in the Philippines. Ayan na nga, grabe nga ang kaputian ni Miss Barbie Fortesa, napakakinis. At kumikinang siya, di ba? Shining. Next naman is, ano ang thoughts nila sa Ang Babae sa Septic Tank? Let's watch this.
Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Fortesa and I'm Thea Ashley. And we just experienced Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Yes, live theater. Ay, nakakabaliw! Ano ang thoughts natin? May salita bang ang kumama na describe kung ano yung pinaramdam sa atin ng palabas na ito? Hulog shit! Oo, pero it's the kind of shit you would want to see. You would want to experience, yes, again and again. Grabe, napakasaya, nakakatuwa, pero ganun sa lahat napakahusay na depiction ng mapanganib, ng matapang, mapangmalaya, at minsan mabahong mundo ng theater. Yes, yes. At saka ang galing kasi kahit hindi sila yan nangyari, nakitablado ang usapan nila, nakarelate, nagaling sa industry ng television. Wala ko pagkatarang
Ayun na nga. At next naman ay spotted si Alexa Ilacad at saka si Barbie Fortesa. Mistisas na mistisa ang ganda ni Alexa Ilacad at Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
Oo naman! Sobrang nakikita ko na. Ako lang. O sige!
Ayun na nga, dinig nga yung pagpapating yun ni Miss Alexa Ilacad kay Barbie Fortesa sa pagpunta sa parang premiere night yata ng Misbehave. Anyway, post ng Diva WAR Abante Radio, panoorin ilang celebrities spotted sa night gala ng Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Let's watch this.
Hi mga ka-Abante, Lynn Garcia po ng Abante Radio at ngayong gabi kasama natin ang nag-iisang napakagandang si Barbie Fortesa.
Hi mga ka-Abante! We're about to watch Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4! Actually, hindi ako magpe-prepare, hindi ako magre-ready kasi gusto kong magulat, gusto kong matuwa, gusto kong ma-entertain overall. Pero more than anything, I'm sure this is another masterclass from my idol, Miss Eugene Domingo. And I am here tonight because Direk Chris Martinez, our director in Contrabida Academy, invited me to watch it. Pero definitely papanoorin ko to ulit with my whole team.
Ay wow, isasama niya yung Team Barbie na manood ng Ang Babae sa Septic Tank sa susunod. Anyway, next nga ay post ng MMV, My Movie World Entertainment PH. MMW pala. Sorry. Interview kay Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
Enjoy again on stage. Ang tagal na nung hindi ko siya napanood. So nice to see him again. I've seen a lot of friends on stage as well. So ang saya lang kasi parang naging personal experience siya for me inside the theater, diba? Parang lahat tayo, iisa ang reaksyon, lahat parang we share the same experience.
the same time. And I think yun ang magic ng theater.
And makaka-relate and tutuwa talaga lahat. And what do you think like the highlight or favorite part of the play? Of course,
Well, syempre, bukod dun sa mga given scenes na feeling ko lahat naman tayo agree na yun highlight talaga. Pero for me personally, yung what can I say? Basta yung unang-unang scene nila. The one when they were drinking. Ay, pwede bang sabihin ko yun? Okay. Yung dinner scene. Kasi doon na po I think I could put the magic or the outcome, anything, may it be a movie, a TV show, or a play, yung brilliance nun, lahat nangyayari sa collaboration, sa yung brainstorming of everything, and the business natin. So I think that's the magic of it. Parang dinala nila tayo sa parang kung paano lang in-relate yung masterpiece. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes! Actually, I think ito yung klase ng play na hindi ko kailangan magkitahan yung mga tao kasi kapilan na lahat na nandito ngayon. Sa tayo pumunta para na-experience ourselves. Please, guys, get your tickets now kasi pupusan eh. Diba? Pupusan ng tickets. So, bilisan nyo na, kunin nyo na yung tickets nyo. It's really worth your while. And again, it's a masterpiece from everyone and especially from my idol,
And next, Barbie Fortesa reunited with director Andoy Ranay at Babae sa Septic Tank 4 Gala Night. At ito nga yung picture na yun. At grabe, ang dami talagang friends ni Barbie Fortesa, no? Pagdating sa showbiz. Lalos na ngayon dahil nakasali siya sa actor.ph. Grabe. Next ay post ng Lionheart TV. Ano masasabi ni Barbie Fortesa matapos ang pamanood ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4? Oh shit, it's theater. Alamin ang kanyang magiging reaksyon.
It was an experience. And it's the kind of experience na gusto kong ulit-ulitin. So I will definitely watch this again. Kasi para sa akin, hindi lang siya natatapos sa gabing ito. Parang everything I saw, everything I've seen today, bibit-bitin ko siya. And kasi masterclass siya from Miss Eugene eh. Acting masterclass siya talaga eh. Hindi ko alam kung mas-spoil ko, pero ang dami niyang ginawa dito na acting approach na pwedeng i-translate din sa film and TV, na pwede ding matutunan. So, mas yun, talagang nag-aral lang talaga ako buong show. Pinag-aralan ko lang si Miss Eugene and in terms of story and the playwright, wala akong masabi. Again, I am here because my very brilliant director turned good friend, Direct Chris Martinez, invited me to be here tonight and I'm so grateful for that. Sobrang galing kasi
they were able to tackle a lot of social issues, pero in a very witty and funny way. So it's the kind of humor na it's smart enough you're gonna have to take it seriously. Diba? Yung humor nila, ang talino, and ang galing kasi napagsama-sama nila ang lahat ng magagaling sa industriya ng teatro para sa napaka spectacular na show na ito, and it's something that doesn't need any introduction. Sabi nga ni Direk Andoy, di ba? He doesn't need an introduction. Siya na yan eh. Siya na talaga yan. And I'm so happy to also see him. Ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nakita. Siya ang director ko sa Stairway to Heaven sa first time sa Pilyang Caribbean. So I'm so happy to see him again. More of him actually tonight. Parang too much of him. I saw too much of him tonight. Pero ang galing sobra. Wala akong ibang masabi. Hindi siya hindi ako nagiging OA, pero napakagaling ng lahat.
Grabe yung mga comments ni Barbie, no? Magaling siya talaga mag-promote. At yun pala, director niya pala si Direk Andoy Ranay sa Stairway to Heaven first time at Pilyang Caribbean. Anyway, next is Miss Barbie Fortesa together with Direk Chris Martinez.
Direk, maraming salamat for inviting me. Sobra. Ay, salamat po. Sobra, my God. Hindi ako nag-prepare, hindi ako nag-ready. Para talagang lahat ng reaction ko talagang nandun. Pero I expected nothing else. Diba? I mean, it's you and it's Madame. Oh my God. Of course. Yes! Thank you, Direk. Thank you.
Anong sabi ni Direk? Kita tayo sa birthday mo. Ay, wow. Ano kayong gagawin nila, no? Surprise kay Barbie Fortesa. May surprise party, ganon.
Sabay na tayo. How's your action?
Ano yung masasabi mo?
At yun nga yung picture with Miss Thea Ashley. Ayan, si Miss Candy Pangilinan pala yung kausap ni Miss Barbie Fortesa dito. At next nga, post ng Bardanatics. Ayan, get together with fans and Bardanatics official. David Licaucas 11th anniversary. Ayan na nga, August 2, Sunday. At location somewhere in Quezon City. At 700 pesos yung slot. So, kung gusto nyo sumama ay, yun na nga, i-message nyo si Mami Josephine Costales about this. Medyo nagtatampo nga kami kay Mami Jo kasi itong pagka kay David napaka-active nila. Nagpa-black screening at lahat, may pa-party pa. Samantalang yung sa pelikula ni Barbie na Until She Remembers, talaga hindi sila nagpa-black screening, di ba? Anyway, next nga David Licauco is already in Jakarta, Indonesia. At JKT ba? Pupunta rin si Tita Eden sa Jakarta, Indonesia. to support her son and nephew. At ito nga si Instagram story ni Simon, mukhang magre-register na nga siya sa Hyrox, Jakarta, Indonesia. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!